David and Anke Doehm, the adopted parents and primary suspects in the death of 13-year-old Faye Lin Cannon, appeared in the San Pedro Magistrate Court today. They were there to answer to a lesser unrelated charge for a small quantity of controlled drug, about 0.17 ounces, found in their condo. When they appeared in court today, Anke Doehm pled not guilty, while David Doehm pled guilty to the charge of possession of a controlled drug. Anke was released but shortly detained outside the police station. David was unable to meet his $108 court fine and remains detained. It is a tactic to keep the Doehms detained as investigations continue into Faye Lin's death, which police is still treating as a murder.
Both family members have been charged for possession of a controlled drugs, which is Valium, that was at the house at the time of the police search. With that, we have put the file together and we have sent to the DPP. So she has all the pertinent evidence to try and see if we will lay charges. So she will be the person to assist us with that.
So that particular controlled drug, you need to have a prescription for it, right?
Yes.
And did they have any prescriptions?
I cannot comment on that. I'm not sure if they had. I'm not sure.
Are you able to say the quantity?
The quantity, I think it was 5 grams or 3 grams, not sure.
Is this like a sort of holding pattern so that police have lawful grounds to keep them while you investigate them for Faye Lin's death?
Yes.
But there are a lot of questions surrounding the tragic death of the teen. While Belize police are leading the case, the FBI is assisting.
We had additional personnel on the ground over the weekend, assisting us in all angles of recording statements, getting all the evidence that we need to submit to the DPP. And if necessary, if she wants more or other stuff that we need to submit to her, then we will do that. But I could tell you that everything that we have gathered so far, we have sent up to her.
So is there any truth to reports that the FBI is assisting in this case?
Well, yes, that it is a U.S. national, so they are assisting to a certain extent. But I must tell you that the Belize Police Department takes the lead on any cases that happens within Belize. From what we're seeing, it might be an isolated case. We have investigated a whole lot, but there's still a lot of questions to be asked. Right? There are still a lot of questions to be asked about the whole investigation on it and in its entirety as well. So there are still a lot more to ask.
Faye Lin Cannon was found dead on last Monday at her family's condo. She had extensive bruises to the body and medical reports showed that she was physically and sexually abused. Her adopted parents are the primary suspects, but her family alleged that she was mentally ill and harmed herself. But residents on the island refute that claim. Residents say that Faye Lin and her 3 sisters were allegedly abused at the hands of their parents, and the authorities didn't follow up the matter as they should have. The teenager's death has sparked outrage within the San Pedro community and 2 protests in the last few days. Reporting for News 5, I'm Andrea Polanco.